So I have the OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro, and in today's video, I'll show you how to enable automatic updates for these earbuds. So as usual, ensure that your earbuds are connected to a phone, and you can either take them out or just leave them in the case with the case open. But as long as they are connected, simply go into the settings of your phone. So scroll down and select settings. And then under settings, you want to select Bluetooth. And then under Bluetooth, tap on the eye icon or the settings icon next to your earbuds or the name of your earbuds, and then tap on earbud functions. And you should be directed to a page like this one where you want to scroll down until you find firmware update. So tap on firmware update, and then you want to toggle on this option to auto firmware update. So now whenever there are updates, your phone is going to download the updates immediately, because it's connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and it's going to transfer those updates automatically to your earbuds. That's basically how to automatically update or enable automatic firmware updates on your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.